Hello, it's my honor and privilege to introduce myself. I'm Victor T. Reyes, 27 years old. I'm currently residing at Banga Second Tardal, Bulacan. I graduated from Dr. Felipe de Jesus National High School, wherein I was the class valedictorian. After a couple of years, I had my bachelor's degree in secondary education, major in English and minor in campus journalism at Bulacan State University. I was the licensure examination for teacher top-notcher when I took the bar examination. I finished my master's degree from Philippine Normal University. I attended numerous seminars in and out of the country. I attended the ABCs of Campus Journalism at Baguio, English Teachers International Conference in Japan, Linguistics in a Higher Level in Seminar in Davao. From 2009 to 2011, I was an English teacher at College of Our Lady of Mercy in Pulilan, Bulacan. From 2011 to 2013, I was the school paper advisor and subject coordinator at the same school. From 2013 to 2016, I was promoted as the head teacher of the said school. From 2016 to 2018, I pursued my teaching profession at the Lasal State University as English professor. I am dedicated, hardworking, loyal in terms of my teaching profession. I am willing to work overtime and I'm willing to serve with all my heart and with all my loyalty in your institution, with all my credits and various experiences in different schools in education fields. I am competitive enough to be hard in your school. Thank you for your time and God bless you.